Hi everybody, so I am going to be doing what I got for my baby shower. I got a decent amount of stuff. I basically got everything that I needed plus more. I'm very grateful. So I'm gonna just jump right into the video because it's a lot of stuff. So I think I'm gonna get started with the clothes first. I'm going to basically speed it up because it's a lot of clothes and I don't want to be sitting here, you know, flipping through all these clothes. So I'm just going to do a sped up version of all the clothes basically.
Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane we can't merge. So with no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the sperm fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I got my dogs out on poppin' at the reach. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up, she wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach jumping, shawty better check my hips. I don't know why they all can't stand me. I guess I'm too demanding. Private landing, I guess I keep my candy. She's silver soda when the beach is sandy. I got it in Yoko, but it call me ready.
I'm in the dude with P-Lady, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla, I run through $1 million, I rock with a really, let's fuck on $1 billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wanna fulfill it. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Givers my only decision. Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the sperm fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the sperm fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
That was the clothes. Now I am going to do like hats, socks, burping cloths, and all that stuff.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Need you to lean in. She wanna come this way, heat it up, microwave. Heat it up, microwave. She wanna ride my wave. She wanna come this way. She wanna. What's how you feeling tonight? What's how you feeling tonight? Let's get it. What's how you feeling tonight?
High volume.
What's how you feeling tonight?
Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the sperm fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Young girl don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some syrup. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane we can't merge. So with no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, on know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purse.
I got my dogs out on popping at the reach. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz.
Alright, that was it for the bed, socks. Okay, now I'm gonna get into birth cloths and blankets.
I don't know why they all can't stand me. I guess I'm too demanding. Private landing, I guess I keep my candy. She silver soda when the beach is sandy. I got it in your car, but it call me ready.
I'm in the dude with P Lady, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla, I went through a million, I rock with a really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the village.
So next I'm going to show y'all the soap sets I got. Got the nighttime sleepy soap set. It comes with shampoo, bath, and lotion. And then I got the original head to toe shampoo and baby lotion. Oh, it's a wash and baby lotion. And also the Desitin Daily Defense Diaper Rash Cream. So I got Control the Flow rinser. Baby on board sign, and the nose clippers, comb and brush, a sound machine, and it's an audio monitor and a nightlight and a Bluetooth speaker. This is cool. We got a humidifier. Pumpkin shoes, pacifiers, teeth and rings, pink pacifiers, bottle brushes, more bottles. Formula dispensers. More pacifiers. 3 different registries. I had a Target, Walmart, and Amazon registry. And I just got a notification telling me that telling me I got a package outside, so I'll be back. I just got a package off my registry and some pacifiers. 0 to 3 months. I can't lift everything that I got, so I'm just going to show y'all. I got the Even Flow Shift Dual Ride stroller and car seat combo. I got a lot of diapers. I got the activity little thing where they could sit up on this. It has like the lights and stuff. I can't wait to see that. It looks really cool. A bunch of diapers. Somebody got me some socks. He has a Stroll and Discover activity walk, a diaper genie, wipes, more diapers, the Genie refills, wipes. Oh my gosh, I forgot about a bag. Lots of diapers. He also got a nursery center. He got a nursery center and his first activity set. Little dinosaur, blue dinosaur. I thought that was so cute. And diapers and wipes. Bag of wipes. He got a bouncer. And I believe he still has more stuff coming. So got the milestone blanket. Yeah, monthly milestone blanket. So cute. He got the little temperature duct to check the temperature of the water. And that is it for now. That's all I'm gonna go through. It's a lot of diapers and wipes. No point in me keep showing diapers and wipes, but yes, my baby has a lot of stuff. I'm very grateful and I'm excited to put all this stuff up. Now it's time to prepare for him to get here. So now I gotta build some stuff and set everything up. Wash all the clothes. I'm washing all the clothes today. That's why I had to do this video today, because I wanted to get that out the way of washing all the clothes. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to see upcoming videos on my journey with my baby. I am also going to do a labor and delivery video, so make sure y'all are tuned in for that. I'm real nervous. I ain't gonna lie to ya. I'm very nervous, but it's going to be a beautiful journey. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. See y'all in the next video.
She wanna come this way.